Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering proof and confirming ownership. You need the original receipt, the device serial or IMEI, and the Apple ID email. Once done, power on the iPhone and avoid any attempt to bypass security. That creates bigger problems. Make sure you contact the account owner first. If you are the owner, locate the Apple ID and password or prepare documentation so Apple can verify ownership. These steps save time and keep the device eligible for official support. Next, perform the proper removal steps. If the account owner is present, sign into Settings, tap their name, go to Find My, and turn off Find My iPhone. Enter the Apple ID password to confirm. If removal must be remote, have the owner sign in at iCloud. Select the device in Find iPhone and choose Remove from Account. Otherwise, contact Apple support and provide the receipt and device identifiers. Apple will guide you through a verification process to clear activation lock legally. To finish, Apple support will verify proof of purchase and may remove activation lock, after which you can erase and restore the iPhone using iTunes or Settings. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and re-enable services as needed. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: obtain clearer original purchase documentation or the carrier's records showing transfer of ownership, and then return to Apple. Better documentation usually resolves verification failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.